Your day at school seems to be going well. I think it's time to introduce you to our science teacher, Professor Mellian. She's in the science wing down the hallway to your left. Just be careful when you go inside. Let's just say, I've been hearing a lot of loud noises coming from the science wing today.
Never a dull moment, am I right? It's nice to meet you. If you like fun and excitement, you'll fit right in here. Spoken like a true scientist. Since you're here, would you mind giving me a hand? As you can see, the Tesla coil isn't behaving. The last time Amelia was here in the science wing, she left me some spare copper wire. Could you help me find it? Amelia's a brilliant inventor. She stops by the academy often to help with the exhibits and the kiosks. You'll meet her when you go to the neighborhood. Try searching by the crocodile over there. Amelia probably got distracted and set the wire down while she was thinking about her plans to build a robot crocodile.
It's a great day to learn science.
Thanks to you, I'll have the Tesla coil up and running again soon. You have a lot of potential. Maybe you'll even be able to uncover the mysteries of the science founder. When you're ready, I'd love to introduce you to our librarian. Just let me know.